I'm working on a new project today. If you're like me, you guys love your Frank Green water bottles. Um, I really like them. You know, they're super cute and they keep your water cold for a really long time. But I always find that these little handles are insufficient. I'm constantly dropping it when I'm trying to do stuff. Today I'm going to be making a water bottle holder like this, just so I can have my hands free and, you know, it's easier than carrying it around like this all the time. And I like to take this with me when I'm like going for walks or walking the cat.
As you can see, holding the water bottle gets in the way when I'm trying to walk the cat. He's so mad.
Hello, Shmimi. You want to say hello to everyone? This is where I sew and this is where he sleeps. Yeah, so I'll be making a new water bottle harness holster, I don't know what you call it, for this water bottle today. And I thought I would show you guys how to do it. What you'll need for this is some nylon webbing. You'll also need a lighter to like melt the ends of the webbing to stop it fraying. Oh, I forgot to say, you need about 3 meters of webbing for to do a large water bottle, so I assume a bit less for the little water bottles. So first off, we want to measure the circumference of the water bottle, like leave a couple of centimeters of overlap so I can stitch it together there. Melt the ends to stop it from fraying. This is what happens if you don't melt the ends. I'll just test this out to make sure that that's a good fit and looks good, stays up by itself, so I'll go ahead and sew that now. So the next step is to measure out this strap that goes around and crosses under the bottle. So what you do is you put on your circle piece and put it up to where you want it to sit. I like it to sit like about 1 inch from the top there. Then get your webbing and
Measure around the bottle.
I'm just going to cut it about here. So I think I want this water bottle to sit about here. So I'm just going to measure how long I'll need it to be. So 150 is the end of my tape measure, and then I'll need a little bit extra around here. So I'm going to say like 165. Now I'll just stitch together the 2 ends of the strap. Just make sure that like it's not twisted. Okay, so now we want to connect the 2 straps together underneath. So you need to find the center point of the short strap. Easiest way to do this again is to fold it in half and mark the center point with a pin. And I just line it up over this bit that we just stitched, but make sure the center pin of this strap lines up with the center of this strap. I just eyeball it. I'm just go ahead and pin that there now. So when stitching the straps together, I like to use like go around the edges and then I crisscross through the middle just to make sure it's super strong. Now that we've done that, we just have to attach all the straps to this circle bit. Now it can be a bit tricky to find like the center points. You want the straps to be attached at even intervals around this little round guy. So I flatten it out, put pins in at either end, then flatten it the opposite way, line up those 2 points you already pinned, and put 2 pins at the other 2 ends. So we've already marked out the 4 attachment points on this bit. So now we just want to line up the center of the strap with the center of the things and pin them there. So I just do the short strap first because I know that I just want like the very top lined up with the top edge of the circular strap. But for the longer strap, we'll have to measure exactly where to sew it because you can see like the strap continues on above the top edge of the circle strap.
Next, pin your long straps where you want them to go and then stitch them on as well.
Okay, so that's it, all done. And it's good to go. Hands-free. Now you can take your Frank Green everywhere and do stuff.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, or if you're too slack to make one yourself, you can buy them from my Etsy store and I'll put the link in the screen here. If you guys like making stuff and like my videos, please subscribe. It would mean so much. Thanks!